veel trompet?
Ja, ik heb demper hier.
Oh, een
Maar,
demper?
Ja.
Ja, want anders worden ze gek van je.
De alle mensen zeggen van, man, ja, rustig aan. Dit is 10 uur gestaan.
Ja. Denk je dat je jouw eigen trompet die je in Syrië hebt ooit nog eens terugziet?
Misschien ik zeg van, mijn moeder pakt van, kom met trompet.
Want jouw ouders komen naar
Ja,
Nederland.
naar Nederland, ja. Bijna 2 jaar is het niet gezien. Ja.
Ja, dat is lang, man. En dan sta je straks gewoon op het podium Paradiso en dan zijn je ouders erbij.
Ja.
Say grace for a leave day. No room for tears outside this door. En waar zijn jouw ouders eigenlijk? Waar zijn je ouders? Waar?
I used to play music all the time with a lot of friends in the university, in the cafes. Everyone were just happy. But then suddenly wasn't there anymore. There was no happiness anymore. People who live in a war situation, sadness is like almost everywhere.
Hi. Wow. Welcome in my house.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You have a pretty nice house.
Yeah, I'm lucky.
Yeah.
Very, very, very lucky.
I have never dreamed it. Have you ever dreamed a night like this? I cannot believe it. I may never see.
So we were in Izmir city in Turkey to go to pass the sea to Greece. It was really scary there. We figured out that the riverboat is very small one. We didn't want to go in this boat because we know that we are going to drown. But with the mafia, you cannot say I want and I don't want. So they force us with the weapons, like, no, you should go. The water start coming inside the boat. Then the only choice was that we jump. The first thing was in my brain, the clarinet. What is going to happen? Is it going to survive? Then in the Netherlands, I said that I'm a clarinet player and I really miss my instrument. Then after a while, there is a woman. She gave me this beautiful instrument. And yeah, now me and my clarinet studying in the Conservatorium Codarts.